Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all having an amazing day and ready for this video. What is that? Okay, so guys, today the category is Kirby. Yes. There was a point when I was so addicted to this game. It was bad. It was bad. Every moment I could get on my lunch break, me and Kirby. That's when I used to carry my DS to work. So today I want to try and put that on the nails. So first of all, I'm going to put my background down and everything. And then I'm going to slot Kirby most likely on this nail. So I have quite a bit that I want to do. So please guys, just enjoy the video. I'm definitely going to do it as a watch me work so I can just focus on the nails. No chitter chatter. And yeah, I'll come back in obviously when I've, done the stuffs and I'm doing the next parts. Love you. So I've got the colour down, I've put some base coat, I have buffed it lightly, and this is literally part of my background. Now I want a rainbow like from this nail going into that nail, but I'm actually going to use pigments because I haven't actually got a yellow, and I think it's going to look better with pigments, so I'm going to trust the process. So now all that's done, on this nail, I want to draw a star. So I'm going to use some yellow from Medusa. So it's kind of a chunky star, right? Okay, I'm just going to fill out the rest. So now I'm going to bring in the clouds. So on the thumb, I want to bring in, now the clouds are quite big. This is what I've done literally on the rest of the nails. So now I'm just using that pink again and just adding some lines. Just 4. So now I'm just going to do some outlining over this cloud, And I'm using Gel Box's ombre 50% black. So, you know, it's, for me, it's perfect for this. I'm going to use a tutorial for drawing Kirby. This is actually something that Raven does, so I am really just, yeah, let's just try this. So I'm going to start with my cross, which is going to be my circle. So I'm just going to get that circle. And then there's a whole foot. Okay, so I think I'm going to do these bits first because the foot kind of overlaps the other foot. So I'm going to fill, you know, just do the colour block in. So I'm going to cure this first and then draw the other foot. It's not too bad. Just going to fill in this bit now. So now I'm going to use this this other pink phrase together and just want to sponge that on. So I'm outlining Kirby, one blob there and one there, and just want to kind of bring that down because Kirby's eyes are kind of long, right? Thank you all so much for watching. Oh my gosh, my first Kirby. And, okay. Absolutely love it. That's the thumb. Now, I did use pigments, which I think, yeah, it definitely makes it pop. And I did finish it in matte. So what do you think? I absolutely love this. You know, I'm practicing with my art every day. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. And don't forget, I have a 15% discount code. There's a claw. MDN Gel 15, and that will save you 15%. And Gel Box do ship internationally. This was so much fun. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I love you all. I'm Mama Does Nails, and I'm out. Please catch me in the next one. I'm Kirby. Yeah. Bye.